So the iQOO 13, which is going to release by the end of this October month or by the starting of the next month, November first week, we can see this mobile. First of all, starting with the display size, this mobile comes with a 6.78 inches of dynamic AMOLED LTPO display, which was protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. And this mobile comes with this year HDR 10 plus support, as well as it is a 10-bit panel, and it is also going to support the Dolby Vision and wideband L1 also. When we talk about the processor, this mobile is coming with the upcoming Snapdragon flagship processor, that is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or the Qualcomm Snapdragon Elite. Name is different, but the same architecture, which is on 3 nanometer based architecture processors, which is a octa-core processor, and is going to be a 5G processor with all the 5G band support. And when we talk about these mobiles availability, like the variants, this mobile will be available in different variants like 12GB RAM 256 and 12GB RAM 512 and 16GB of internal RAM and 512GB of internal storage. Now these are going to be UFS 3.1 storage capacities, UFS 4.0 storage capacities, along with the LPDDR5X RAM types. And obviously there is no external memory. When we talk about this mobile camera, we can see a improvement in this section from the older generation iQOO. That is, it comes with a triple cameras at the back side, a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and also another third 50 megapixels of periscopic zoom lens, which can also be used as a close-up shots. By the way, we can also shoot up to 8K 30 fps with this mobile's back camera. For the front, we can get a 32 megapixels of front-facing selfie camera. We can shoot up to 4K 60 fps with this front-facing selfie camera. And when we talk about the battery, we can see a huge improvement in this battery section from compared to the older generation iQOO 12. That this mobile comes with a 6150 milliamps of battery. The older generation was getting 5000 milliamps of battery only, so it is a 1150 milliamps more. And this also comes with 100 watts of fast charge through wire support. And from this iQOO 13, iQOO is providing the feature which is not available till iQOO 12 as a flagship, that is the wireless charging. Yes, like the OnePlus 12, it is also going to support 50 watts of wireless charge, and obviously 4.5 watts of reverse wireless charge. By the way, this mobile also coming with a lot of flagship features which are missing in the last generation iQOO 12. Those are like as I already said, the wireless charging feature and IP68 water and dust resistant. That is the major thing which we are missing in flagship mobiles. And from this year, iQOO 13 is going to have the IP68 water and dust resistance feature, as well as this mobile is going to have the wet touch, like the touch which we used to do in like the mobile, which with this wet touch feature, we can use the mobile effectively in the raining conditions or in the water conditions. And when we are going to talk about this mobile's multimedia and other features, this mobile is going to comes with stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack, and this mobile is also going to come with the aluminum frame front black glasses. And when we talk about the box content, this mobile comes with a mobile itself and TV case and a 100-watt fast charger included in the box of this mobile, which is missing in a lot of mobiles, and some quick start guides and stuff and similar tools and some things like that. When we talk about these mobiles, other features like this mobile comes with the latest features such as Wi-Fi 7 tri-band Wi-Fi support, as well as the Wi-Fi, as well as the Bluetooth 5.4 and NFC. By the way, this mobile doesn't comes with a 3.5 jack and radio. So this is all about the mobile itself. And when we talk about the price range, this mobile, according to the news until now, this mobile might release the price tag of 55,999, almost 56,000 rupees, and it can go all the way up to 65,000 rupees for the top variant. So that's all about this mobile. So if you like this video, hit the like button and also the subscribe and share this video basically.